something common in you and me is we never stop learning. Let's get started. It's my great pleasure and privilege to teach you in this online course for IP DRG. Before I start with online free demo session, I would like to appreciate you all because you have taken time from your busy schedule and watching this video. Once again, thank you so much for that. Let me introduce myself, Uday Kumar Talaju. I have 8+ years of expertise in IP DRG. Please see the description for more details, and if you feel this video could be benefit for your friends or some other person, please like and share this video with your friends so that they will get maximum benefit from this video. And if you want coding updates out of my experience, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Uday signing off for now. See you soon in my online course.